Are you over 60 and noticing changes in your vision? What if I told you that a simple, affordable drink made from ingredients you can find at any grocery store might support your eye health naturally? Today, I'm sharing a science-backed juice recipe that contains nutrients researchers have linked to better eye health as we age. This isn't a miracle cure, but it is based on real nutritional science. Stay with me because I'll share the exact recipe, the research behind it, and what you can realistically expect. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why this matters. After age 60, our eyes face several challenges. Age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Cataracts, affecting more than half of Americans over 80. Declining night vision and difficulty with glare. And reduced nutrient absorption because our bodies don't absorb vitamins as efficiently as we age. Here's the good news. Research suggests that specific nutrients can support eye health and may slow age-related vision decline, and that's where this simple juice comes in. Major studies, including the age-related eye disease studies, AIRDS and AIRDS-2, conducted by the National Eye Institute, have identified key nutrients that support eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids accumulate in the retina and act like natural sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light. Studies show they may reduce the risk of macular degeneration by up to 25%. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects eyes from oxidative stress. Research links higher vitamin C intake to reduced cataract risk. Vitamin A and beta-carotene, essential for the retina's light-sensing cells. Deficiency can lead to night blindness. Anthocyanins, found in dark berries, these compounds improve blood flow to the eyes and may enhance night vision. And zinc, it helps vitamin A create melanin, which protects your eyes. The challenge? Getting enough of these nutrients through diet alone can be difficult, especially as our appetites decrease with age. That's why this concentrated juice is so practical. Here's the recipe that delivers these nutrients in one glass. You'll need 1 cup of fresh kale or spinach for lutein and zeaxanthin, half a cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, for anthocyanins, 1 medium carrot for beta-carotene, half an orange, peeled, for vitamin C, 1/4 cup of pomegranate juice for antioxidants, and optionally, a small piece of ginger for anti-inflammatory benefits, plus half a cup of water or coconut water. To make it, wash all produce thoroughly. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Strain if you prefer a thinner consistency. Then drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Why before bed? Your body does most of its cellular repair during sleep. Providing these nutrients before bed gives your body the building blocks it needs during this repair window. And here's the best part. When buying in-season or frozen produce, this juice costs approximately $2 to $4 per serving. That's less than a cup of coffee. Now, for the honest truth. What can you actually expect? This juice is not a cure. It won't reverse serious eye disease or replace medical treatment. What the research suggests is this: improved antioxidant levels in your blood within days, support for the macula, that's your central vision area, with consistent use over weeks to months, potentially slower progression of age-related changes. And some people report subjective improvements in vision clarity after 2 to 4 weeks. About the 7-night observation period, after 1 week of drinking this juice, you're not going to have perfect vision. What you might notice is slightly better visual clarity, reduced eye fatigue, and better adaptation to darkness. Real, measurable benefits typically take 8 to 12 weeks of consistent intake, according to research studies. Before starting this or any new health routine, there's some important things to know. Consult your doctor, especially if you're on blood thinners. Vitamin K and leafy greens can interact with those medications. Check for allergies to any ingredients. Monitor blood sugar if you're diabetic, because this juice contains natural fruit sugars. Don't stop any prescribed eye medications or treatments. And continue regular eye exams with your ophthalmologist. This juice supports your eye health. It doesn't replace medical care. To maximize your results, combine this juice with these healthy habits. Protect your eyes from UV light. Wear sunglasses outdoors. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something at 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Don't smoke. Smoking doubles your risk of macular degeneration. Control blood pressure and blood sugar. Both affect eye health significantly. Stay hydrated. Dehydration affects tear production. Eat omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, walnuts, and flax seeds support retinal health. And get regular exercise. It improves circulation to the eyes. Think of this juice as part of a comprehensive eye health strategy, not a magic bullet. Your vision is precious, and the good news is that simple, natural approaches can support your eye health as you age. This juice gives you a concentrated dose of the exact nutrients researchers have linked to healthier eyes for just a few dollars and a few minutes of your time. Will you try it for 30 days and see how you feel? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to give this a try. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more evidence-based health tips for seniors. Remember, age is just a number, but taking care of yourself is timeless. Until next time, here's to your health.